there, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing I'm finally doing an update to my skincare project plan. So if this is something that interests you, then just keep on watching because there is a lot of rollouts. I'm gonna start off by saying please forgive me that I'm not the most chipper self. It's actually Sunday and I'm a little hungover. I have a bit of a headache, so yeah, I might not have as much energy as I usually do, but you know, that might be a good opportunity for some you know, for this video to be a little bit more calming, you know, kind of put it in the background and just, you know, do whatever you want to do and just enjoy my calming voice in the background, because I just can't speak too loudly because my head, yeah, what can I say? Okay, so I'm going to start off with the things that are staying in this project since last update. I think my last update might have been at the end of January and we're in the middle of March, so you know there has been quite some time quite some time has passed since the last update, which means we have a lot of rollouts. So the first thing that is staying is this spot stick from tea tree oil, and as you can see, this is where we are now. There isn't a lot of product left here, and I think we will be done we will definitely be done next month. I really enjoy it. I, you know, usually use it in the at night on my spots, let that sink in and continue on with my nighttime skincare routine, and I find it to help a lot. It's not the best spot stick that I had ever used, but it does the job, so I'm quite happy to kind of, you know, trot along with it. Then is my Nail Berry Little Treasure Nourishing Cuticle Oil, and this is where we are at the moment. Now there is some progress, a little bit more progress than the last time. That's because we, you know, more time has passed, but I'm slowly but surely working my way through this product. This is going to take so long to finish up, but you know, I want to eventually use it up because I will already have a backup or another cuticle oil that, you know, I kind of want to work on eventually. So slowly, I'm so sorry, slowly but surely this is gonna go eventually. Then my eye cream, this is the AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for Face, and this is the progress that we made since the last update. A lot of progress, let me tell you, but I think that's because I went through an air bubble also with this guy, so you know, that's why it has gone down quite a bit. This is a nice eye cream. It's really basic. It hydrates my under eyes, but that's about it. It's not something that I would you know, run out and purchase, let's say. And then I also had the Balance Me Baku Oil serum in my project pan, but I used that up. However, it's, oh my god, it was so bad. It broke me out every time I went to use it, and it was just so annoying. So I kind of, you know, I said goodbye. I had thrown it away because it just wasn't so good. And then I introduced the, or you didn't see me introduce it, but I started to use the E-Cooking Moisturizing Serum, and this is where we are at the moment. So, you know, not too much left, but you know, it's still, there's still some left. It is a nice serum, but it's kind of, when you pump it out, it's kind of gooey, you know, it has a weird texture, really weird, but it's a nice hydrating serum. It's not something that I would purchase, but I'm glad that I have it. So these are all the products that have been here, let's say, since the last update. And now let's go into the rollouts. So the first thing is my Silk Care So Sweet and Natural Lip Scrub. And as you can see, I had a finished all of that up, which I'm super happy about. This is a lovely lip scrub. I really like it. I received a lip scrub in one of my boxes. Still, I cancelled my Birchbox and my Glossy box. I wanted to cancel my Look Fantastic box, but I cancelled it too late, so I'll be still receiving my Look Fantastic box. Nonetheless, I have a backup of a lip scrub, and I'm going to introduce it into this project. And this is the Velvet Perfecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, and this is what it looks like. And I had already marked it for you to see where we are starting. I haven't used it yet. I've no idea if it's good, if it's bad, or you know what's the story with it. So I am quite excited to see how it works. Avant products are notoriously expensive, and they're definitely not worth it. I think that's why they're in boxes, because people just wouldn't buy them on their own. But yeah, I wonder how this is going to work. Then for my cleanser, I had the Good Molecules Clarify and Cleanse bar, and I only have the packaging here because I used it all up, and I'm so happy. This took ages to use up. I really enjoyed it. It removed my makeup very well, but it wasn't my favorite you know, type of application of product, because it was, you know, literally a bar of kind of soap, and I didn't really enjoy it that much, in the sense, you know, of how it was applied. I enjoyed the product itself and how it removed my makeup, but just not the application. So once I finished that, I went ahead and I bought myself the Skin Foodies Micellar Cleansing Face Wash from Lidl, and this is where we are now. You can see it there. I don't like it. I do not like it, but you know, it's a cleanser. It does its job. It cleanses my face. It's not the most effective cleanser, because it doesn't really remove my eyeliner or my mascara. Works well with face makeup, it's not the eye makeup. So you know, I use it just to use it up, because you know, it's a cleanser. It still works, but it is not something that I would purchase, because it is not great. Then for my mask, I had the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating treatment, and you know, I had about half of it left. I managed to use it up throughout the months, and it was a very exfoliating and kind of invigorating kind of, you know, exfoliator mask kind of thing. I really enjoyed it. It smelled funny, because it had a funny, you know, it had a funny smell, but I liked the way it made my skin feel afterwards. It was very maybe not cleansed, but it felt clear. Instead of the Sand and Sky mask, I'm going to introduce the Cores Probiotic Superdose face mask with real Greek yogurt. So I've already used it once for about here, and I enjoy it. It's very hydrating. It says to leave it on for like 10-15 minutes, but I was editing my video while I had this on, and I left it on for like half an hour. It worked fine. It kind of it sank into my skin, but you could still feel kind of the thickness of this mask on my face. And you know, I just washed it off, applied my nighttime skincare routine, and my skin felt really lovely, you know, after using it. So you know, I'm glad to have it, and I'm glad to kind of use it up also. Then the next thing is my Dr. Papa Multi-Purpose Balm. Oh my, you guys, I finished it up. This is where, when it was introduced, we had that much left. Not too much, but if you know this product, you know that it takes ages to use them up, because there's just, you don't really need a lot, and there's so much product in these, but I love them. This is my favorite lip balm. If I ever run out of lip balms, this is the one that I would repurchase, because it is so efficient, so effective, and it just works wonders on my lips. Then to replace the Dr. Papa lip balm, I introduced the Dr. Lip Tint. This is the elderberry pigment, and this is what it looks like. We are about here. I think there is an air bubble inside, so I'm trying to get rid of it, but it might be a while. This is a very thick tinted balm, and I love it because when I would apply it before bed, I would wake up in the morning and my lips would feel so soft that it was just like, wow, this product is amazing. I really enjoy it. Is this something that would replace my Dr. Papa? Not necessarily because of how thick it is, but I do like how it, you know, how it smooths and how it kind of heals my lips. I really enjoy it. Then for my moisturizer, I had the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and this is how much progress we made. This is an empty, this is all finished. It was nice. I tried this moisturizer before. It's nothing special, to be honest, and I am replacing it with another Avant product, and this is the Ultimate Hyaluronic Acid Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. So we are about halfway done through this product. I've been using it since I finished this guy, you know, to kind of give myself some momentum. This is nice. This is a very thick, very moisturizing moisturizer. Okay, it's fine. That's all I have to say. It's fine. It's nothing special, but you know, it works. But yeah, that's about it. Then for my exfoliator, I had the Real Chemistry Luminous 3-minute peel, and this is also all finished. I'm super happy about that. I really enjoyed it. What it does is you're supposed to wet your face, you're supposed to apply a blob on your fingers and work in sections to exfoliate your face. What it would do when it comes in contact with your skin and the water, it would create these little balls of your dead skin, and you know, that would kind of exfoliate your skin in itself. I do really enjoy it. It's a very similar, I marked it wrong. Oh Jesus. Okay, let me remark it. We are definitely not where I marked. We are way lower. I just kind of I put it against the light before, and that's where I thought it was, but now when I'm looking at it from this angle, this is where we are. Okay, so don't mind the first mark, because that's just all wrong. Anyway, a very similar thing is the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub, but the way that you're supposed to, okay, so this is where we are, not here, this is where we are. You're supposed to apply this on your dry skin in order for it to work. However, because this is in my shower, I use it on wet skin, and it works as well. But I mean, it's a fine scrub, but I think it just doesn't work as well as, you know, those kind of real physical like rice peelings or rice scrubs. I kind of prefer, you know, the feel of those beads on my skin doing the exfoliation rather than something chemical like this. It's fine. I'll put a more in-depth review in my speed reviews video soon, but yeah, it's just fine. I kind of want to use it up though, because it's not my favorite. And then the last product that I have in my skincare project pan was my toner. And this is the Lacura Healthy Glow Rose Toner. This is moisturizing and calming with hyaluronic acid, and it was in the rose and elderflower scent. So we were right down here a couple of months ago. We're at the end of January, and now it's all finished. I really enjoy this toner. Aldi, unfortunately, oh no, they do have it right now, and I would repurchase, honestly I would, but I already have a toner that I'm working on, and I don't want to have, you know, 10 backups of the, you know, of the same kind of product in my collection. I kind of want to buy as I use them up. So to replace the Lacura Rose Toner, I am introducing my Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Oh my god, you have no idea how much my skin missed niacinamide. I kind of used to break up a lot around my chin and especially on my forehead, and once I started to use this, whew, it's all gone, guys. It's all gone. Now I just want to use up all of my serums and repurchase the Good Molecules niacinamide serum because it worked so well on my skin. I just can't believe it, and I'll definitely be repurchasing this because I love it. But anyway, we are about here. I hope you can see the line just right there. This works wonders for my skin. It makes it so clear, it makes it so bright. It's so good, you guys. I really enjoy it. I love Good Molecules as a brand, yeah, in general, so I'll definitely be repurchasing this. And this is so bougie because it is in a glass packaging. Even though it's so affordable, it feels so bougie, and of course it's recyclable because it's glass. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.